Okay. Hello everybody. I just want to say we hit 1,000 subs. We're like at like 1,022 right now, which is amazing. We're getting monetized now. I can finally afford one meal, which is great news. I really do appreciate everyone's support. I really started creating YouTube video content that kind of gave me a direction and purpose with creating YouTube videos a year ago, and it's been great. I believe that I brought a lot of value to the X3 community, and when it comes to really small content creators that literally had 100 subs, that I was able to kind of show a pathway of there is possibility for growth, or just the fact that not all YouTubers are the same and we're all different. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, I appreciate everyone. Please subscribe, share this video, like this, leave a comment down below of your own YouTube goals or car goals, anything. Talk about anything. I love talking to people. You guys find me on Instagram all the time and DM me questions about the X3 or about YouTube or about wheel setups or anything about BMW, even the turbo kit. So let's get to the video. It's been a minute since I've done anything in this garage slash driveway, even though I literally just did a tuning video with my transmission in the driveway. I was in my car. We're gonna stop being lazy. Here, I have the DRLs for my X3, daytime running lights. These are the yellow CSL style daytime running lights. And in this container comes with 3 things. Some thermal glue and then 2 modules. Obviously for your driver and passenger side. Now I've had this kit for probably the best part of the last 6 months. Maybe. Why? Because I've been lazy. I don't want to take off the front bumper. It's such a pain in the butt, but I'm gonna do it. I've already made a video on me taking off the front bumper for the new bumper that I put on the car. So really, I'm just gonna do a time lapse and then we'll get straight into this video. I'm gonna take the bumper off, do a time lapse, and I'll get back to you on the main camera once we start getting to the headlight, because you can't do this without taking the front bumper off and there's not enough YouTube videos. There is no YouTube videos on putting on DRLs on the X3. So let's break it down. Got the front bumper off. Next you need to do is take off all the plastic sheathing, surrounding cover, plastic cover, sheathing, cover. Take the plastic covers off. It's one right here and then the one long one on that side. Just use a pry tool like this to get all the plastic rivets out. So next we took out this little piece down here. This goes under the headlight. It's kind of like a support for the bumper. It's just one 8mm screw on the outside. You can see it right there. It's a screw right there. It's 8mm, just one. Put on the ground. And then we undid 2 T25s or T30s up top. And I'm pretty sure there's 2 more T30s for the bottom headlight bracket. And then once we do that, I believe the headlight should be free. We are on the driver's side headlight. And if you see down here, there is a T30. There's a T30 here, and then if you go a little bit more inside where my hand is right now, there's another T30, and then that should release the entire headlight to give us access to the module that we're trying to modify. And then one thing I forgot to mention, so with the T30 you're not going to have space unless you take off the wheel and take off the plastic liner to use a regular like impact, or not impact but like a drill. What I'm doing is I have an 8mm kind of ratchet wrench, and this T30 is a thick T30. You can't just fit it into any universal screwdriver type of deal. So it's an 8mm, and this is 8mm, and I've just been ratcheting it out like this to get out in this tight space. I'm gonna get this over with, and then once the headlight's out, I will continue this video. So 1 and then 2. There's one on the inside, one on the outside. The outside one, I use the 8mm wrench with the T30 bit, and then on the inside one, what I did was I got a 8mm socket along with one of these. It is a quarter, I believe it's a 1/4 inch, just like a screw socket bit, right? Put an 8 on there, and then we use this 30. And I did this because T30 tool, it's too long to fit in there. Literally saved us a good, okay, maybe it would have fit in there. No, because the handle is too big to be turning inside with the frame of the car. So I hope that kind of clears up if you get caught in this area. It's a bit confusing, but you'll figure it out. You just gotta think about it. Be a little entrepreneurial in that sense. One more thing. So we got the top two, we got the bottom two, right? And I'm like, why can't I pull this out? Because this is also a headlight bracket. So there's two 8mm that screw into the fender, and that should release the headlight. There is two white 10mm that have to come out. And that, am I tripping or, oh, nope. You don't have to remove the 10mm, I lied. Okay, Instagram plug. Driver side, passenger side headlight. I looked at the modules and there's no difference to them. So we're just gonna pray that they work on either side. If anything goes bad, I'm gonna throw this car away. So you need a T25. It's 3 T25s. That center one with the vent is what we're gonna be taking off, and we'll see what happens when I take it off. Do I have a T20? Please tell me I have a T20. Oh, yes. T20 is what you need. Got our, yep, 3 T20s. And we're going to take off our DRL module carefully. Oh my gosh, this is kind of crazy. And then we're gonna unclip it and unhook this. And there we go. This is what the module looks like. They look identical. That's a good thing. And I think we are using T10s or T15s. T10 to take off 2 of these screws, and it should allow us to access the module. Took off the plastic shroud, and we have access to the board itself. There is OEM thermal paste on it, so we're going to heat it up and then pry it off with a flat tip or anything you decide to use with the flat tip. And then we're gonna use a razor and get all the glue off. And then we'll continue with the process of installing the new one. Right now, I am taking off the glue. There's not too much, but try to take off all of the caked up layers of glue on there so the new thermal paste could seal on there well. Should I put thermal paste on that or this?
That.
This?
Yeah, probably that.
Okay, so based on my own intuition, we're gonna put thermal paste on here. It's like already a little bit of thermal. Yeah. Just put in the middle. So yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of thermal paste, and then I'll show you guys how much I put on there. You guys can judge if I did too much or too little. It's too little, right? Put a little bit more. There. Let me close that. Let me see the back of this one.
Don't make it like clumpy, because when you push down on it, it's gonna
spread.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
Yeah.
Computers.
Okay, guys. This is how much thermal paste I put on there. And then we'll just apply the new thing. Okay. Where did I put the 2 T15s? Ah, yes. Okay. Let's put the shield back on. Shield, guide, whatever it's called. How long does thermal paste take to dry?
I might be wrong, but I think it's like kind of instant.
And then we're just gonna go hand tight. Oh, there's thermal paste coming out the top. All right, let's clip this back in. Boom. Okay. Carefully align it. We are back in T20s into the headlight, and then we're going to alternate between the 3 corners, making sure we kind of go down evenly, because this is important to make sure no water gets in your car. Oh, that's what I needed. I heard something. Maybe the 2 LEDs are clicking into place.
I got when we're turning on.
Yeah.
Plug that battery in.
I'm gonna do the other side, and then the next clip you guys see are probably gonna be the car with the DRL, CSL, yellow DRLs on. And if not, then I fail. Okay, go on. It works. Huh?
Why wouldn't you do it inside? Yeah.
This video was about me installing the DRLs.
Yeah, but you transitioned into the same spot. you didn't go anywhere.
Vlogging? Oh my god. Subscribe? What's his YouTube channel?
Mr. Alex K. Lee.
Mr. Alex K. Lee.
Yellow.
No, so
Like in yellow.
type yeah.
That's kind of tough.
Alright, so my DRLs once were white, now they're yellow.
Type
It's a block.
It only took about 5 hours to do. See how long they last. Got it from
And now he's
Alibaba.
missing his
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why are you holding it down?
I'm not. I'm at
God, is it still recording?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not pressing
Sorry,
it.
I have a white guy using the camera.
Guys, I've done this before.
Let's show the people again.
Mm.
Okay, so that's about it. I really don't care about shooting B-roll because it's too much work to edit.
Oh no, transition to Bucky's.
Transitioning to Bucky's, there's too many people in there. I'm considerate of people.
Are you?
You're Asian.
Cut.
What's up, guys? If you ever go to Bucky's, do not get this.
You just said that.
I got it really bad.
We have one KDM guy here.
He drives a Honda S2000 with a race-inspired exhaust. It sounds like absolute dog.
I drive a car that has a second gear. I also have my license plate where it's supposed to be.
I don't drive a very nice car.
I make more than 200 horsepower.
Nah, that's not uncourtesy on my behalf.
Oh.
I'm drinking my drink. I can't drink my drink in the whiskey.
I can't. Why y'all?
What kind of videos do you film with this?
My OnlyFans.
Can I see?
Give some words.
Ding dong.
Man.
Okay, we're gonna close out this video. I did the DRLs. That's about it. It was not that hard. Just make sure you have some patience. You're gonna break a lot of clips and try not to. Thanks for watching the video and see you next time.
Make sure you also have friends that buy you pizza while you work on your car.
I had pizza for dinner.
Make sure you have friends that can eat that pizza instead of him.
Because of me.
I couldn't finish it, so he ate it. Okay, we're done.